Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can make a reflective shake video effect on CapCut. So first I'm just going to add in like an animation in the beginning. So I'm just going to click on the clip animation and go to in and find, let's see where it is, the swing bottom. Press the check mark button and I'm just going to go here to sort of split it where I want to add the effect. And then after that, I'm going to, here, press split and find freeze. Delete the video at the end and have the clip for about 0.2 seconds maybe, or 0.3. Let's just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, 0.2. Then to this clip, I'm going to go to animation, choose the in one, and then we are going to instead choose rock vertical. And then I'm going to copy that like a lot, but then on the second clip I want to change it to like mirror it. So do that and just copy it and paste it a lot of times. Maybe it's better if I just copy it first and then do the rest later. So copy a lot of it. And make sure on like the second clip, it's the other way around. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. And again, if the clip is too short, just adjust it however you like. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.